I'm getting ready to install some of my firewall components like the heater control valve, heater core, you name it, windshield wiper motor, and some dash components. And then I started thinking about this area right here, which is going to be partially exposed, on what color to paint that. And what I'm going to do is go ahead with like a satin black, because my dashboard and everything is going to be black. So that'll kind of be hidden. So, and I'll show you on the other vehicle what that looks like with everything together. Okay, I'm out here with one bed. Very difficult to see with the glare, but that's where your windshield vents pop up through. And it's just a dark color. It may be body color in this car. I don't really know. I can't really tell. But I think it'll hide real nice to have a satin black in there, being the dashboard and the trim are going to be black. So we're going to go ahead and get that painted. There we go, all painted satin black. It's almost dry, I think. I gave it 2 light coats. And it should blend in pretty good with the black dashboard.